Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Good morning students. Myself Rajput Pratima and today I am going to explain grammar of standard 8 and my topic is active and passive voice. Okay? So active and passive voice are ways of showing the relation between the doer and the receiver of an action, and in the active voice the subject does the action denoted by the verb. So students, in active voice the subject does the action, subject action करता है denoted by the verb के according, and in the passive voice the subject is acted upon the hence in the receiver of the action denoted by the verb, and in passive voice the subject acted upon the hence and receiver of the action denoted by the verb. एग्जाम्पल देखिए तो फिर ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा. टीना ब्रॉक द विंडो पैन. एक्टिव वॉइस का सेंटेंस है टीना ब्रॉक द विंडो पैन. टीना ने विंडो पैन तोड़ दिया. सो इन पैसिव वॉइस में आप क्या करेंगे? द विंडो पैन वॉज ब्रोकन बाई टीना. पैसिव वॉइस द विंडो पैन वॉज ब्रोकन बाई टीना. देखिए बोथ द सेंटेंसेस रिफर टू द सेम इवेंट. दोनों सेंटेंस में सेम ही वर्क किया गया है तो विथ अ डिफरेंस इन फोकस. बट फोकस करो तो कुछ डिफरेंस आपको फाइंड आउट होंगे. ओके and then the subject Tina does something. देखिए इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस द सब्जेक्ट टीना डज समथिंग. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में टीना सब्जेक्ट है तो टीना देखिए क्या कर रही है? कुछ वर्क कर रही है. व्हाट इज़ द वर्क? टीना ब्रॉक द विंडो पैन. टीना ने विंडो पैन तोड़ा. एंड द वर्ब ब्रॉक एक्सप्रेसेस द एक्शन डन बाय टीना. और ये जो ब्रॉक वर्ड है ये टीना के थ्रू किया गया एक्शन बता रहा है. एंड द वर्ब ब्रॉक इज सेड टू बी इन द एक्टिव वॉइस. और जो ब्रॉक ये वर्ड है ये एक्टिव वॉइस में है. नाउ इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस इन पैसिव वॉइस सेकेंड सेंटेंस टेल्स अस दैट समथिंग वॉज डन टू द सब्जेक्ट विंडो. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में बताया जा रहा है कि कुछ विंडो के साथ किया गया है. एंड द वर्ब वॉज ब्रोकन एक्सप्रेसेस एन एक्शन डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट. और जो ब्रोकन वर्ड है वो क्या एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है? एक्शन डन टू द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट विंडो के साथ में जो एक्शन किया गया है वो बता रहा है. एंड द वर्ब फ्रेज वॉज ब्रोकन इज सेड टू बी इन पैसिव वॉइस. और जो ब्रॉक वर्ड का वॉज ब्रोकन हो गया है वो पैसिव वॉइस का सिंबल है. एंड वॉइस इज दैट फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब which shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something or has something done to. वॉइस में हम क्या देखते हैं कि पर्सन या थिंग जो कि सब्जेक्ट के थ्रू काम किया जा रहा है वो शो करता है. ओके अब देखिए एक्टिव टू पैसिव कन्वर्सन क्या होता है. When we change a sentence in the active voice into the passive, the object of the sentence become its subject. When we change a sentence in active into passive voice, जब हम सेंटेंस को एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज करेंगे देन द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस का ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट में चेंज हो जाएगा एंड द वर्ब टेक्स ऑन द पैसिव फॉर्म, और जो वर्ब है मीन्स ब्रोक, पैसिव फॉर्म मीन्स बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल हो जाएगा उसका वर्ब का, टू टेल अस व्हाट इज डन टू द सब्जेक्ट, जो कि हमें बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट पर क्या किया गया है. नाउ एग्जाम्पल देखिए, प्रिया है वो सब्जेक्ट है, सबमिटेड एक्टिव ये वर्ब है, एंड द असाइनमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट है. प्रिया सबमिटेड द असाइनमेंट. नाउ इन पैसिव वॉइस द असाइनमेंट वॉज सबमिटेड बाय प्रिया, मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट का यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, सब्जेक्ट, एंड सबमिटेड, सबमिटेड का पैसिव फॉर्म वॉज सबमिटेड, एंड प्रिया जो थी वो लास्ट में आ गई है इन प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. Now second rule is, in the passive voice when the subject of active sentence come after the verb, we add by before it to show that it is still the doer of the action. रोहन पेंटेड द फेंस. अब देखिए, रोहन सब्जेक्ट एंड द फेंस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू सेंटेंस, द फेंस पेंटेड. पेंटेड का बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म इज वॉज पेंटेड, एंड द सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट बाय रोहन. डन स्टूडेंट्स? means Rohan painted the fence, so the fence was painted by Rohan. Now next is to change the verb into passive, and appropriate form of the verb be is added before the main verb, which takes on its past participle form. In passive voice, be plus past participle form of the main verb. For example, the driver parked the car, so the car was parked by the driver. The boys helped the old man, so the old man is helped. The old man is helped by the boys. Now next is only transitive verbs, means verbs that can take objects, can be changed into the passive voice. Intransitive verbs have no objects, so they cannot be used in the passive voice. Means Meeta broke the vase. The vase broke takes the object vase, hence it is transitive and has a passive form. The vase was broken by Meeta. Meeta cried quietly. Here the verb cried does not have an object, and sentence is complete. So the verb cried is intransitive, so no passive. Now next is, when we change a sentence from the active into passive, the verb must agree with the subject in person and number. Teacher is scolding the student. Singular subject, teacher takes the singular verb is scolding. So the students are being scolded by the teacher. Subject is now plural, the students. So it is takes the plural verb are being scolded. They are asking me to leave. I am being asked to leave. When we change a sentence from the active voice into the passive, the sentence tense of the verb remains the same. For example, the mongoose killed the snake, so the snake was killed by the mongoose. Active voice simple past sentence, and in passive voice simple past sentence. Now there are some rules and also examples for change into active to passive voice. Now first is simple present tense. In simple present tense, example, he cleans his car every day. In passive voice, the car is cleaned by him every day. Form of the passive is am are plus past participle. Now, simple past tense. Rohit took the car yesterday. Now, in passive voice, the car was taken by Rohit yesterday. Simple past में was were plus past participle. And in simple future tense, Tina will finish the work tomorrow. In passive voice, the work will be finished tomorrow by Tina. What is the rule? Simple future tense will be plus past participle. And in simple future going to, used going to, Tina is going to make dinner tomorrow. Tina is going to be made. Dinner is going to be made by Tina tomorrow. Going to plus be plus past participle. And in present continuous tense, the police is following the suspect. So in passive voice, the suspect is being followed by the police. Is RM plus being plus past participle. Past continuous tense. The workers were distributing sweets. The sweets were being distributed by the workers. What is the rules? Was were plus being plus past participle. Present perfect, the teacher had graded the answer sheets. So the answer is the answer sheets have been graded by the teacher. Rules are has, have plus been plus past participle. Now, in past perfect, Sumit had driven many cars before the bought this one. Many cars had been driven by Sumit before he bought this one. Our rules are had plus been plus past participle. And in future perfect tense, Rohan will have completed the project before the deadline. So what are the rules? The project will have been completed by Rohan before the deadline. Rules are will have been plus past participle. In modal verbs, the principal may discuss the problem soon. And the answer is the problem may be discussed by the principal soon. Modal verbs plus be plus past participle of the verb. Okay? So students, you will write the answer of example sentences first. For your homework, first number, he cleans his car every day. Second, Rohit took the car yesterday. Third, Tina will finish the work tomorrow. And 4, Tina is going to make dinner tomorrow. Fifth is, the police is following the suspect. Now 6, the workers were distributing sweets. 7, the teacher had graded the answer sheets. And 8, Sumit had driven many cars before he bought this one. 9, 9 is Rohan will have completed the project before the deadline. And 10 is the principal may discuss the problem soon. Okay. And students, you will write all rules in your grammar book. Rule number 1 with example, rule number 2 example, rule number 3 and example, rule number 4 example, rule number 5 example, and rule number 6 and its example. Okay, you will learn and write in your grammar notebook. Now we repeat the rules. When we change a sentence in the active voice into the passive, the object of the sentence become its subject. Object किस में change हो जाता है? Subject में. And the verb takes the passive form. और जो verb है, जो work है, means submitted इसका verb है, वो change हो जाएगा be plus past participle में. Okay. Now second, in the passive voice, when the subject of active voice comes after the verb. In passive form, when the subject of active sentence comes after the verb, we add by. हम by add करते हैं passive voice में after the subject. Okay, in the passive voice, when the subject of active sentence comes after verb, जब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब के बाद में आता है, मीन्स रोहन वर्ब के बाद में आया, देन वी एड बाय. इन थर्ड, टू चेंज द वर्ब इन द पैसिव एन एप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. वर्ब का बी एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पार्क्ड, तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म क्या है? बी प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. वॉज पार्क्ड. हेल्प का क्या होगा? इज हेल्प्ड. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट 4 number, only transitive verbs that can take object can be changed into the passive voice. Intransitive verbs have no objects, so they cannot be used in passive voice. For example, Meeta broke the vase. The vase was broken by Meeta. And if intransitive, Meeta cried quietly, so no passive of this sentence, because cried does not have an object. Now next, when we change the sentence from active to passive, verb must agree with the subject in person and numbers. For example, teacher is scolding students. Students plural हो गया, so are being scolded. Okay. Now next 6 number, when we change a sentence from the active to passive, the tense of verb remains the same. For example, the mongoose killed the snake, and in passive, the snake was killed by the mongoose. So, active sentence is in simple past tense and passive also in simple past tense. Okay, students? So, students, you will complete your homework and learn and write both. Students, take care yourself. Okay. Goodbye students, have a good day.